Ever wondered how digital information can be stored securely and transparently? Welcome to the world of blockchain. Imagine a digital ledger, but instead of just one, there are thousands of copies all over the world. That's a blockchain. Each entry in this ledger is a block. These blocks store information like transactions. Now here's the magic. Once added, you can't easily alter a block without changing every subsequent block and getting majority approval from the network. This makes it extremely secure and transparent. Everyone can see the blocks, but tampering with them? That's a tough job. So, from cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin to supply chains and more, blockchain is revolutionizing the way we think about trust in the digital age. That's your blockchain breakdown, a digital chain of trust, open for all to see, but tough as nails to break. The future is transparent and it's built block by block. Enjoyed the breakdown? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest updates. Dive deeper with us into the world of technology and beyond.